Hello guys, so today we're going to be talking about how you can add a payment method to booking.com. So first of all, in order to do this, you need to be signed into an account on booking.com, and this account can be made via your email, or you can just sign in through Gmail or Facebook or a different social media. So I have already signed in here, and I will just go to my profile here, my account here, and you need to go to manage account. So once you click on manage account, the website is gonna open to you this part that says account settings, and here you will see payment details. Now once we click on payment details, you see that I have here an option pay with new card, and it says add card. Once you click on add card, you will see this part of the website that says what you need to fill in. So you need to fill in the cardholder's name, the card number, the expiration date, and I'm guessing it's also going to ask for your CVC, your 3-digit number on the back of your card. And that's pretty much it. You will maybe also need to do some sort of text verification, but that's it. It's a really easy and straightforward process. So yeah, thank you for listening, and I hope that this video is helpful to you.